I just got the Fire TV Recast off of Amazon. It was $179 on sale. It is a DVR for over-the-air TV, so antenna TV DVR. This is the 1 terabyte 150 HD hours edition. Let's take it out of the plastic. Here's the side of the box with the information. It's got a 1 terabyte hard drive, 4 tuners, and it's HD ready with AC Wi-Fi. So it comes with a recast and the power adapter, and you need an HD antenna and a Fire TV or Echo Show to use it. So we need access to a Fire TV app on a Fire tablet or a similar mobile device. Okay, here's the back of the box with some information. You can record simultaneous broadcasts, and you can use voice to talk to Alexa and use the channel guide. Okay, and you can watch recorded shows on a Fire TV app. There's the side of the box. Top of the box just says Amazon. All right, so let's open it up. I'll rip that off there. I'm going to slide it out. Nice looking Amazon box there. Let's rip the side tab off. Open it up. It's got the Amazon logo on the inside. So here's the Fire TV itself. Slide it right out of the plastic. Oh, there it is, Fire TV. It's playing on the side, playing on the other side. Got some holes in the back. Reset button on the side here. So you got your antenna in, power cable slot, Ethernet cable slot, got a USB and a button to connect. All right, got some booklet here. Just some information about the device. Another booklet here. Here's the instruction booklet to set it up, the Fire TV Recast, the power adapter and the power cable. And then it tells you get the app, and then it shows you the diagram of setting it up. You attach your antenna, to the TV antenna input, and the power cable to the power input. Let's open up here. Here we got the power supply. We got the power cord. Just gonna plug that in there. Plug the power into the box. There's nothing else in the box, just some cardboard underneath. Alright, I'm just going to look for the Fire TV app on my phone and select it. So here we got the Fire TV app, so I'm going to install it. Okay, and let's open up the app. It's asking if you want some notifications. Just say sure or no thanks. Alright, I need to sign into my Amazon account to discover a Fire TV or a stick. You can sign in right here.
Of course, before you set up your recast, you want to make sure your antenna is set up. You can check out my antenna setup video if you haven't done that yet. You will also need to set up your Fire Stick or your Amazon Fire TV. If you haven't done that, you can check out my video on that.
So I'm just going to plug the cable wire or the antenna wire into the back of the Fire TV here. Just screw that in there, tighten up real nice. Okay. Plug it into the outlet. Now let's hit connect. Add another device. Let's do Fire TV Recast. Just click next through all the options. Asks you for your range of your antenna. Talks about mounting the antenna. Says connect the cable. We connected the cable. Asks you to mount your antenna. We already mounted the antenna. Says plug it in. We already plugged it in. Okay, next step. Says wait for the LED on the front of the Fire TV Recast to pulse. So it looks like it's pulsing white. So you can say it's pulsing white. It says connecting to Fire TV Recast. Okay, the Wi-Fi setup was kind of a pain. You have to make a Amazon Wi-Fi and then it connects over the Amazon Wi-Fi. Okay, now it looks like it's scanning for TV channels. I got 58 going through the TV directly. Let's see what it picks up. Picked up 54 channels in the scan.
Now it's playing a little commercial for Amazon Fire TV Recast.
Okay, it has a list of what's on now. CBS, CBS, Fox, the CW, the recordings. We have a remote. We have settings over there. Okay, back on the Amazon Fire. Now there's a section for On Now, so it lists the Fire TV Recast channels. So you got CBS, ABC, CW, PBS, NBC, Fox. Let's check out PBS. Alright, click the menu button. We got a channel guide, manage channels, and then the option to record down here. So if I wanted to record Pleasantville, let's press OK to record. So it's recording Pleasantville. Alright, here we got the channel guide. TV playing in the corner there. And it tells us what's coming on for the current channel. So CBS, all the shows coming up. So let's go to channel 8. So what's on right now? 30 for 30. Go back to the menu. Go manage channels. We have all channels. We got favorites. So let's select this channel, CBS. Now it's added to our favorites list. So now we have a list of favorites. Let's add ABC as well. So we got CBS and ABC on the favorites. Let's go to the menu. Let's go to options on the menu. Filter channels. Let's do favorite channels. Awesome. And now all it's shown is CBS and ABC because we favorited those channels. So we can go directly to those channels. On live we have all our antenna channels here. On DVR it looks like it just records a bunch of channels. Looks like it records all the recent shows. So you can probably go to any channel and then restart. Let's try it. Let's try it out. Let's try CBS. Let's go to watch from earliest. So backs it up a little bit. Alright, so here on the DVR tab we got channels recording. We have our recorded. We have our chosen recording of Pleasantville. Go to the channel guide. Got DVR settings. Got recording priority. We got scheduled recordings. Let's go to the channel guide. Let's go to 8 p.m. and let's see if we can record what's on at 8 p.m. You can do just this episode or the full series. I don't really want to record that, so I'm gonna step out of there. Alright, so we got Ring of Honor Wrestling on Stadium from 8 to 9 and then 9 to 10. Hit OK. And then you could record, let's just record this episode. Now it's recording. Channel 30. Alright. It looks like the channel names don't work so well with Alexa, but you can say the actual channel number and it hops over to the channel. And here is the Roku TV, which there is no Fire TV app for. I wish there was. Maybe one day.
So the Fire TV is installed in the basement, and this is 2 stories above that. Picture takes a little time to come in, but it looks like it's coming in pretty good. Going to hook this to every TV in the house and see how well it works. So until next time, if you like this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.